Yes, welcome to Jenner Park. The story between Barrytown and Caernarfon does continue on a historic occasion. First game ever in the League of Wales that's to be televised live.
Thank you, John. It's a perfect day for football here. It really is a bright, sunny winter's afternoon. The pitch is looking in really excellent condition, and hopefully, as we've already said, we're in for an exciting afternoon of football. Both sides are out there on the field. We'll have a look at the Barrytown side first of all in their familiar yellow and blue kit, and a look at their side shows plenty of experience, and that's why they're top of the League of Wales and favourites once again to win the league at the end of the season. A lot of eyes will focus on Tony Bird. All the talk of Avion Williams in the Caernarfon side, but Tony Bird, a prolific goal scorer, the former Cardiff City player, who's back in the side after a nasty injury against Cwmbran and played last week up at the Oval. To the Caernarfon Town side, who've travelled down from North Wales this morning. The last time they stayed overnight in Cardiff, they lost 6-1 to Intercable Tel, so they didn't want a repeat of that. Phil Owen takes his place in goal. He suffered a nasty facial injury in a Gilbert Trophy game in midweek against Caernarfon, but of course all eyes on number 11, Avion Williams, the talk of the League of Wales, and he's looking to follow Paul Roberts, who moved from Porthmadog to Wrexham with a move to a nationwide league club sometime this season. Supporters still arriving at the Jenner Park Stadium for this game, and the transformation not only on the pitch for Barrytown but off the field, quite remarkable when one thinks of the facilities that used to be here. Headed away into his own goal. Well, what a dramatic start. The ball was just knocked in. I think the final touch came off Gareth Knott, but it was knocked in there by Tony Draper, and Barrytown completely caught unexpected. So with only seconds gone of this game, a minute really, Barrytown find themselves trailing.
Well, Barrytown just went to sleep here so early in the match, not up for it, and the ball knocked in, and a slight touch from a Barry defender, giving Mark Ovendale no chance whatsoever. Again, they just went to sleep from the corner kick, and good early movement from the Caernarfon players into that near post.
Grade 1 challenge. Looking for Pike, it's too high for Pike. Johnson, though, should keep the ball in play. Does well, gets a corner. First corner for Barrytown. Darren Ryan will take this left-footed. Owen stayed on his line, and it's the equaliser. It's Tony Bird. Phil Owen, I think, was behind a number of his own defenders. He just couldn't make his way off that goal line, and it allowed Tony Bird a free header, and Tony Bird makes no mistake from that distance.
Well, again, this was terrible marking in the Caernarfon Town defence. Look, two Barrytown players could have headed that in. Gary Lloyd was going in there, but Tony Bird, excellent in the air. Not a big lad, but he does get up very well. Downward header, giving the keeper no chance at all.
Comfortable for Ovendale. Restarts play quickly. There's a good throw, the Barry goalkeeper, Darren Ryan. Barnett, Pike's in the middle. Towards Pike it comes. Right drop for Tony Bird. Oh, good finish by Bird. And didn't he enjoy that, Tony Bird? His second, Barry's second, and they've hit back as we approach the 23rd minute. Barry, who are behind, are now ahead. The ball was intended for Chris Pike. He couldn't get there, but Bird finished well.
Well, that was the important ball for me from Darren Ryan. The ball into the wing as it comes out. Good technique here, keeping the ball down, and really the keeper's got no chance with that. It's a super strike from Tony Bird. See, Chris Pike does well here to take the defender to the near post as it comes down on the full into the roof of the net. Good finish.
It's Darren Ryan. He was beaten by Aspinall, and Schumacher should be able to clear his lines. Dangerous game to play. Could be in trouble here. Bird, Barnett shot, and really that's all of Caernarfon's own making. Horrible header really poor defensive play. And Phil Owen shows his frustration. That's the last thing Caernarfon wanted before half-time. But Barry capitalised, and Gary Barnett, the player coach, makes it 3-1. Gary Barnett in towards Darren Ryan. Ryan bring the player coach into play. Decides though to go for Gareth Knott. Now then, Bird, Johnson, well struck, oh, lovely goal. Hasn't really had an opportunity to show what he's capable of. It's been all Barry, really. Johnson, with ease, could go all the way. Chance for, oh yes, 5. Barry are rampant. They're just walking through Caernarfon now. It was all made by Phil Johnson, and Gary Barnett has so much time and space, and he picked this spot.
Well, this just shows we're training 5 days a week. A professional outfit like Barry. Fitness is so important. And then Gary Barnett, a good professional finish, keeping the ball low, right into the bottom corner. This is a tremendous run here from Phil Johnson. Just keeps going and going. No Caernarfon player can get close to him. And then has the poise just to set up his manager. Watch this for a finish. Just passes it into the bottom corner with a little bit of bend. And on that occasion, Phil Owen in the Caernarfon goal has no chance.
One for Caernarfon, away by York. Aspinall. Oh yes, Avion Williams. Well, that's taken Barry by surprise. But the League of Wales' leading marksman showed his ability there, unchallenged, and has reduced the arrears.
And this is what I've been waiting for all afternoon. Avion Williams having half a chance in the penalty box. Colin lost at the far post there, keeping them all onside, but didn't he hook that ball well into the top corner?
That was real quality finishing, and takes nothing away from Barrytown's victory, but that was Avion Williams showing exactly what he's capable of, given the right sort of service.
Tremendous finish, half a yard in the penalty box, knows where the goal is, over his left shoulder. But a great spectacle this afternoon, some good football played by both sides.